와, 형 라면 사오셨어요? 와, 아유 잘 먹습니다. 와 끝장난다. 와. 아침 7시까지 먹은 거 아니에요? 저 한국에서 술 먹을 때 진짜 먹.
이거죠. 근데 한국이랑 좀 맛이 다르다. 저 커피를 잘 모르는데 뭐가 더 맛있다 좋다 이런 말은 못하겠는데 그냥 진짜 맛이 다른 거 확실해요. 전 잘 모르는데. 원래 배드민턴 좋아하세요?
그냥 취미로 한국에서 부산에 있는 할 거 없어서 배드민턴.
그럼요.
군산 쪽이에요?
네.
저도 군산 필요합니다.
진짜요?
네.
후대 오신 지 얼마나 되셨어요?
온지는 한 5년 정도.
되게 만난 사람들 짧게 온 사람이 없네요. 다 좀 기본 5년 이상이네요.
짧게 온 사람들은 다 떠났어요.
떠나니까.
다 떠나버렸어요. 안녕하세요.
배드민턴장 질이 다른데요? 화장실도 깨끗하고. 지금 제가 가는 데는 전부 다 한인분들이시고 이 멜버른에 5개 정도 배드민턴 커뮤가 있나봐요. 다음 달에는 대회도 개최한다고 하더라고요. 후기가 깨가지고 미치겠네. 배드민턴을 좋아해서 하지만 해외 나가서 한번 운동해보시는 걸 추천드립니다. 네네네. 술이 올라오면서 술이 빠져요. 지금 땀으로. 간이 약간 썩어가는 것 같아. 원래 배드민턴 좀 쳤죠? 네, 저 속 괜찮았다가 형님이랑 게임하고 나서 속이 너무 안 좋았었어, 진짜. 배드민턴은 빡세게. 네, 빡세게 재밌죠. 그 게임은 클럽에서 그런 사람. 잡채 같은 것도 파네. 저는 약간 팬케이크 같다, 팬케이크. 쓸지 안 쓸지는 사실 몰라요. 고맙습니다. 내일 출근해야 돼. 오늘 만나야 이거 맛있는 거 고추장 맛이네. 고추장 양념장 맛. 네.
찌개?
오늘요? 오늘 아침까지 놀았어요. 와, 저거 맛있겠다. 죄송해요. 조금만 실례해도 될까요? 감사합니다. 출출해서 케밥 하나 먹으러 나왔습니다. 밤 되니까 겁나게 춥네요. 뭐가 많네. Can you recommend the best menu? Because this is my first time. Pizza, kebab. Hot chili, please. Hot chili. 아니 보시면 지금 겨울인데 문은 왜 이러고 있는 거야? 와, 얼어 죽겠습니다 진짜. 나 웬만해서 추위 잘 안 타는데.
와, 아니 진짜 푸짐해요, 진짜 푸짐해.
자, 여기 나왔습니다. 다이아몬드 렌탈스. Hello? Sorry, is the store open?
Sorry? Yeah, we're open here.
I want to rent a car.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
For 2 days. $180.
Can you give more a little bit discount?
That's the discount. I can do it for $79 a day. 2 days insurance for me, $35, $40. Yeah.
자, 이 차 여기가 싼 게 맞는데 주단이나 약간 좀 장기간으로 빌려야 좀 싼 거고 오면은 $39 per day 돼 있잖아요. 근데 저는 오늘 이틀 빌려가지고 이 정도 가격입니다. 그래도 다른 데에 비하면 싼 거 같아요. 그래. Can I take a picture of.
Yeah. Do whatever you want to do. I need a couple of minutes in there anyway.
Okay.
If Trump in America,
I don't like war.
I don't like war either, but I think
Fight and it's gonna be like World War 3.
yeah, it'll be end up being like what's his name, Kim Jong Un,
Kim Jong-un.
whatever his name is, the fucking idiot.
Chris,
Yeah,
and he's the nominated driver.
but his friends in the city at work.
Keep your friend's email address, everything you can.
I'm waiting for you to come in and do all that. We're chit-chatting. See you, mate. All right. We can rent you the car, but your friend has to be the main driver, and you can be second driver. Yeah. We can email it to him. He can sign it, email it back, and then you sign it, and we can give you the car, and you can go off.
I have a question. If there's no friend in Australia, I
You're
can't
fucked.
rent a car.
You can't rent a car. A lot of people they rent motels, hotels, and if you were living there for let's say 2 or 3 months, we can use that address.
At least 2-3 months.
At least 2 or 3 months, because 2 or 3 months means they get enough information off you.
Only here or any other rental car also.
No, they're all the same.
All the same.
It's all the same. Okay. Is your coffee okay?
I've never heard about long leg. Just say in Korea, ice Americano.
What coffee do you drink in Korea? We drink everything espresso here. Italian coffee, French coffee here, and they do very well with milk. That's all I drink, just cappuccino, and it's just fat, milk fat.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's nice.
Yeah. If you drink a lot, you can.
No. My parents came from Greece. From every European country, they come here after World War II.
Oh yeah.
So after World War II.
No problem. Okay, what have we organised, Chris?
Nothing. We just talked and talked.
Yeah, we.
I haven't done anything.
Can I film video?
Yeah, sure.
I told you, he'll love this. Yeah. Hometown driver's license and ID.
Where's that's the passport? Oh, okay. It's in Korea, yeah? Okay. So what we have to do, it's the Australian law. You're from South Korea, yeah? You wouldn't be here if it's North Korea, no?
Oh yeah, never.
You'd be skinny like this.
From North Korea, yeah?
If you're from North Korea.
I'm not sure. Also, South Koreans are skinny or fat. There's many.
Same level.
In Australia, there is no traditional food, right? But I just feel like Australia, so I want to try kangaroo meat.
Yeah, you can find.
My plan is I will buy a meat in Coles or like that, kangaroo meat or
Don't
beef.
buy in Coles. Go to specialist butcher. They will be better. If he has kangaroo meat, he will have a good grade of kangaroo. Coles is rubbish food, rubbish meat. His driver's license has expired, yes?
Yes, his license is expired.
Then we have no insurance. Yeah.
My God.
Anywhere you go is going to be the same because the law is the same for all of us.
My plan was going to Slovenia. I buy a gold detector. So I was going to go.
You want to come and get a mine here? You don't have nobody else?
Oh, wait a second.
Sorry for this, King.
That's Australia law, so
It's
I
the
have
law.
to follow Egypt.
So how is South Korea? Good?
Really nice place, but
Come.
yeah.
Steve, Korea has got 51.5 million people and it fits into Australia 78 times.
Is that just South Korea?
This
or
South Korea.
whole? South Korea,
South
78 million.
You living here?
I'm originally from England. I came here when I was 14. My parents come here for a better life. And it has been a better life. A lot of opportunity. I have a house here, big house, 42 square. I don't know if you understand the square. I just sell it for 1.5 million, but I bought another one, smaller.
If I come to Australia next year, can I visit your house?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
I have to make many friends in many other countries. Even there is children or middle school or 40 or 70, I don't care. Today I can't rent a car, but I make a friend.
No, that's
That's all.
It's better.
So from Korea, what is your main export?
Car, Hyundai
Cars.
car.
Here in Hyundai.
Yeah.
Hyundai would be the biggest factory there, yeah?
And there's many Hyundai.
Yeah,
or
lots of
Kia
them. Yeah.
cars.
Oh, very, very much. And very good product. Korean, what is the currency?
1,000원 equals $1.
How much you pay for a can of Coke?
I'm not sure, but
Korean money, in Korean
yeah,
money.
Korean money.
Even though it's the same value, your product is cheaper. I went to McDonald's yesterday. I was buying some stuff and I wanted some water for 600 mil. Same as that, Chris. Is that 600?
In McDonald's.
here, $4.55. You buy a meal, do you think, oh, it's expensive, like $30?
All the price cost is more expensive than Korea, like about 2 times.
Yeah, 2 times.
If I eat kimchi stew in Korea, that will cost maybe $9. In here, $20.
Yeah. And Kim, if you don't want to tell me, it's okay. The salary.
It's okay, don't. Plant operator, and I worked there about 10 years.
At the one job?
Yeah, in
Yes.
one job. My salary is...
This is not bad.
And normally, Korean salary is...
In Australia, it's like this.
So if you're sick, you don't have to go to work and they still pay you.
Good country, Australia. Diamond Center.
thank you.
You came from here first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, Kim, nice to meet you. When you
thank-
come again, come visit us.
Really? Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay?
I want to drink or that kind
Yeah,
of...
you like whiskey. You like whiskey.
Yeah, I love.
You get drunk quick? I used to have a few Asian friends too, and they can't drink.
Oh, really?
Oh, they can't drink. You give them 3 whiskey, finished.
Because real whiskey is too strong. I love beer.
Beer.
Yeah.
Australia have a lot of good beers. There are a lot of homemade beer. Come on, Chris. You're beautiful, don't worry.
1, 2, 3. Thanks.
All right, Kim, good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. 아, 렌트는 못했지만 사람은 얻었습니다. 그리고 지금 감사한 게 지금 저기 차로 이제 데려다 주신다고 하셔가지고.
This car is from Korea. It's a Kia.
아, 기아 스타렉스.
I learnt everything, all the Carters, everything, right up to black.
SIXT?
Yeah.
아, 여기는 무슨 미국계 렌트카 회사라네요. You don't know.
You got a reservation?
No, I didn't reservation, so I just want to know the price.
Oh, okay.
For 2 days.
With full protection, it's $191.
Can I see the car?
So it'll probably be...
And automatic, right?
yeah, automatic. I'll have to see.
아, 그렇구나.
That's okay. Yeah. Get you to sign that one there.
Ah, okay. And I have to make the full view when I return?
Yes,
아, 오케이. 지금 탔는데 적응이 너무 안 되는데? 바로 앞에 도로가지고 바로 실전이네. 지금 이제 약간 헷갈리는 게 여기 보이는 게 한국이랑 정 반대여가지고 확실히 운전은 약간 감으로 하는 것 같은 게